Okay, so we're in our back office now. Let's look at how to set up a website logo. So if we head back to our front end, customize, and we head down to header, we can see here logo. So if we click logo, now we can set our logo here. So these are squares, so they're not the right size. So I've pulled in a smaller one there. And again, the alt text is how we tell Google what the image is about. So we're going to paste PODTech logo in there. Click select, skip cropping, and there's our logo. We can also do the same for Retina. I've managed to format this so that it's a very small file size, but the resolution is very high. So if you're not familiar with formatting your images, it might be worth trying to make a smaller logo for mobile devices. And then we can see here, we can adjust the size. So it's a better width, somewhere around there, and hit publish. And now we can close this. And that's how we set our website logo.